I'm Vikram Thapa.
And I'm Beverly White. We cannot reveal our true identities because
yeah.
this is like a agent.
All about
thing.
secret identities today. And the guest we have on our show is, I thought it was Anthony Gonzalez.
No,
okay, maybe Seth, do you have some information on who you are exactly?
But
okay,
he may not
let
be
us-
Seth.
Oh, you
I
may
am
not
Seth.
be Seth.
I'm Seth.
You have to
Yes,
prove
very
that you are
nice to meet
Seth.
you.
He does not want
I
to
can
be
show you the
anybody
label
else.
on my shorts
No,
from
it's fine.
school, but
It's a family show.
it's a
Same.
family underwear brand. Isn't it?
Yeah,
You don't want to take
okay
any
then.
shortcuts on that one.
It's not that short, but
I know that you're the secret agent in the film,
Yeah.
but it seems like Karina's actually more of the secret
Yes.
agent because she seems to be the one who's sort of undercover. So what's that
does
all
that come
about?
true? You know, everyone says they don't want to give the story away, but I don't mind. She kind of she represents Pakistan. It's not really an India-Pakistan kind of thing, but
Okay.
it's more of a Moroccan and. But there still are two countries' different interests,
Yeah.
and we thought it'd be interesting to have the Pakistani take on things as well. So she plays, among other things, apart from being the one of the bad guys' personal doctors, pretending to be something else, and I don't know what kind of thing she's up to, but she's
Sounds
also
very
got
complicated.
some. She's got some. It's not complicated. It's secretive,
Yeah.
and she's
Ah.
got some links with you know the Pakistani ISI.
Okay.
Sounds very interesting. And obviously, you know, guns, goons, and
Yeah.
gangsters are something that every secret agent has to deal with. So, how do you deal with all three? What are Agent Vinod's modus operandi
You
when
see,
it comes to all
most
three?
secret agents have like
Yeah.
government support, right?
Yeah.
'Cause they're like
Yeah, that
MI6
goes a
and-
long way.
No,
let's
but it goes
tell
a
you
long
that.
way in England and it goes a long way in England and in America.
Yeah.
But in India,
It's like a daily allowance.
yeah, you're kind of on your own. That's what happens. You know, he kind of lands in like in 7 countries is okay, but when he's there, he's like, hello, okay.
I need some backup
yeah,
here.
there's no backup.
There's no backup.
There is-
मेरा DA नहीं पहुंचा.
Yeah, exactly.
No daily allowance.
That's the whole thing.